Whoops. If you were thinking that today might not be the ideal butchering chicken day, well, then you and I would be on the same page. However, we have been trying to keep these birds alive so that we can butcher them, put them in our freezer, and we're having no end of predators showing up. So we decided that today was the day. I took the day off work, and we need to get this done before we don't have any more. So I'm just out doing chores. I'm gonna let the laying hens out. Gonna fill up their water with some warm water and go see the turkeys and the Cornish in the barn. One brave soul, eh? Yeah, come on out. It's not that bad. Morning, guys. It was just yesterday that Glenn saw a weasel in the barn. We just brought the cows home from the hills, and he was checking on the birds, and we were missing a turkey. So we looked all over out in the yard for the turkey, and we came back, and I had to run to town. Somebody had dropped a kitten off on the road, and we decided to take it into our local shelter. Glenn and I aren't really cat people, and we felt that we didn't need a barn kitty. So one of these turkeys was completely missing. So what happened was Glenn found it underneath the tarp. So it's underneath here, sitting up on top of this middle post under there. And he came back in looking because we were just confuddled. We had no idea where it went. And he happened to just spot a lump in the tarp. And there it was. I was so upset because it's been a trial, man, getting these turkeys to the point where they are right now. So today is our big butchering day. These guys, turkeys are actually really inquisitive. They're curious, and well, until they get older, the toms are quite friendly actually. So anyway, but it's time to say goodbye to these guys today. That was the point of having them. And you saw all the snow outside. It's a good thing that actually we don't have 11 turkeys to butcher and what's left of our Cornish to put in the freezer today, because it's going to be a long day outside in the cold, plucking feathers and stuff. Anyway, so at this point, I'm going to break their water. I'm going to break their water so they can have water. I am going to take away their food bowl. They've had access to it all night, so. And the Cornish, the same thing. I'm going to give them some water. but no food because when you're butchering, you don't want their bellies full, their crops full, because if you have a wreck, it can be bad. Okay, it's time to go back inside and finish setting up for our big butcher day.